In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix bookings to your Wix website. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your appointment scheduling or a freelancer wanting to make it easy for clients to book your services, integrating Wix bookings into your site can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Wix site. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to log in to your Wix account. Once you're in, look around for the navigation options on your site. You're going to need to click on Add Apps. This will take you to a section where you can find apps to enhance the functionality of your website. It's a pretty handy feature that Wix provides, bringing a wide range of tools right to your fingertips. Upon selecting Add Apps, you'll be directed to the Wix App Market. Think of it like an app store specifically tailored for your website needs. Here, there's a diverse selection of apps that can help you customize your site's capabilities. What you want to do next is use the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the page to find the app we're focusing on today. So go ahead and type in Wix Bookings and hit enter or click the search button. Once the results come up, you'll see Wix Bookings. This app is designed to help you manage your bookings efficiently and provide a seamless scheduling experience for your visitors. Click on it to find out more details about what it offers. You'll see information about its features, what other users think, and so forth. When you feel ready, click on Add to Site. Wix will begin the process of adding this app to your website. Fantastic! You've successfully added Wix bookings to your Wix site. But hold on, we're not quite finished. Now that the app is installed, it's time to customize it according to your specific needs. Depending on the nature of your business or service, you might want to adjust the settings. Perhaps you want to modify your appointment types, set available hours, or include special instructions for clients. Customization is key to ensuring your digital booking process aligns neatly with how you operate. To do this, head to the Wix dashboard, where you'll find the Wix booking settings. Don't be shy about exploring these customization options. Play around with the layout, tweak the colors, and make sure it reflects your brand's personality. There are detailed guides and customer support available if you need additional help at any point. Now your Wix website is equipped with Wix bookings. You're all set to manage appointments seamlessly, saving you time and offering convenience to your clients. Be sure to test it out, perhaps by scheduling a mock appointment yourself, just to ensure everything is working as smoothly as you'd like. Voila!